Let's do this shite. Bruh, fuck off with this stupid ass expansion bullshit. Let's go.
Let's go gambling!
Yes, yo. Is that a damn scrap racing? Yeah, no way. Yes, please, please.
Aw, oh, dang it!
Beetle. What you dropping? Okay. God damn it. Nah, I can deal with them. Oh, fuck. Are you kidding? We out of here.
Aw, oh, dang it!
Come on, come on. Hey, yo, that's actually goated with the sauce. Like, not even close to being worth. Okay, fuck it. Not half bad for the second stage. Oh. Oh, god damn it. Awesome, more banner. Oh, are you kidding? What? Where? Whom? Whom? Did bro just level up? Nah. How many lasers again? Repeaters!
I'm in danger!
What the fuck? What the hell was that?
Let's go gambling!
Much better than that. Where?
Hello there.
Oh!
Are you or far? The fuck is this? The boss spawned apparently. Fuck off.
Oh no!
I had run for 3 years,
Swear to God, it's gonna be
2
nothing
months,
legendary next week.
14 days, and 16 hours.
Do not give me a hard boss. Are you fucking serious? God damn it! Same shit! Same shit, different day!
Is there a mod that just adds the here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo? I wonder if there's a mod for that.
I'm doing pretty good damage to him at least. What? Huh?
The sun.
What? No! Mini mushroom!
I think he was doing the sun and you were in the fire.
Insta-death. Fucking insta-death. We got this man here. Who is this man? He has invaded my private space. Oh god, he's back. It'd be kinda cool if I found a crowbar.
A few minutes later.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
Walk up. Walking. Oh my goodness. Alright, what equipment? This guy takes equipment. So, we down to do it?
Yeah, just click it. Or I'll click it, whatever. Ah, and I missed. Yeah.
Mistake. I mean,
Yes, legit. Oh! Ew, how is this healing drone still? We literally spawned next to it. Oh my god.
we're not gonna risk a fucking 47 leak.
I'm not gonna risk the rain. Whoa! What? What? Huh? Huh? Gearbox, fix your game.
Shift. Oh, it's easy. Okay.
It's easy. Watch me get absolutely annihilated from existence.
It's free help. It's free help. That's free help.
2 seconds later.
Just keep on using the quote. Oh.
Oh!
Yeah,
It's easy. What you talking about? It's easy, man. What you talking about? What you talking about? It's fucking easy. What do you mean easy, man? Free health. Surrounded by 50 different goddamn enemies. I'm done. I'm leaving. I give up. Good day.